We must be free not because we claim freedom, but because we practice it. The past is never dead, it's not even past. If a story is in you, it has to come out. You can't beat women anyhow, and that if you are wise or dislike trouble and uproar, you don't even try to. Most men are a little better than their circumstances give them a chance to be. A man is the sum of his misfortunes. One day you would think misfortune would get tired, but then time is your misfortune. A writer needs three things: experience, observation, and imagination, any two of which, at times any one of which, can supply the lack of the others. It takes two people to make you and one people to die. That's how the world is going to end. If happy I can be, I will. If suffer I must, I can. Get it down. Take chances. It may be bad, but it's the only way you can do anything good. We have to start teaching ourselves not to be afraid. Love does not die. The man and woman do.